Infusion Mist is step 2 of your daily skincare regimen. This is especially good for oily skin, combination skin, acneic skin, blemish skin, kind of anybody who needs that excess oil pulled out without over drying it, because this will also keep your skin very well hydrated and squeaky clean at the same time. This is basically very simple to use, either by spraying it onto the skin and letting it misting over the face and neck, or applying it to a cotton ball and wiping the face and neck down. Or the way I like to do it is just spray it onto the fingers, tap them, and then in upward strokes, just kind of pat it onto the skin. That way you don't really waste much. This is a great astringent for anyone to use.